If you're like me, you're homebound. We're all trying to adapt to this new indoor way of working, hanging, and dressing. Some are swapping their entire wardrobe for PJs. Others are still trying to dress in their best to keep some kind of normality or out of boredom. There's no right or wrong way of dressing while you're at home. Here are the top 3 trends this COVID season. 1. Homestay Chic. Redefine what it means to wear work-appropriate clothing. Start the look by wearing a t-shirt. Yes, that's t-shirt. The one you wore yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that. And pants and whatever you wear underneath is now optional. No one can tell when you're answering your email bottomless. All of your meetings are video conference now, so it doesn't require a completed outfit. Experience with news reporters have been practicing for decades. Layering is a great finish for this look. Try putting on a bathrobe or a onesie. Wrap yourself in a blanket is also an acceptable alternative. 2. Smart distancing attire. Functionality is a big part of fashion. This season, it's all about the pockets. How else are you going to hold gloves, mask, hand sanitizer, a long stick, wipes, and your sanity all in one place? We have seen a lot of variations in this category. You have your basic pants and skirts with side and back pockets, and the more advanced bomber jackets, fisherman's vests, and cargo pants. Innovative reuse like a backwards hoodie. Even going retro. Dig out that fanny pack from your Goodwill donation pile because you're not going to get rid of that anytime soon. Number 3, the quarantine look. Leisure time is still important, be it happy hour, tea time, brunch. Now that everything's over the video, any fun time is quarantine. Or you can get really creative with this look. Slip on that dress that is too short and you can't sit in it. It's not a top, it's a dress. Put on that hat you never wore. You only bought it because the sales lady tell you it frames your face nicely. And put on that pair of heels that cuts off your circulation if you stand longer than 14 minutes. Heck, while you're at it, break out that box of costumes and Christmas decorations because a boa and festive lights goes with everything. When life gives you lemon, you talk to the manager. But if you can't, we'll find a way to make the lemonade. So let's all support each other, lift each other's spirits up, and share laughs together.